Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back guys. It is good to be here. I'm glad to see you all where you are, which I hope you are in a good space, in a good place. And guys, today's DIY is going to be the future project number 6. This is the last project for future project series 2. And also guys, I have a special announcement to make as we move forward. So let's get into this video. Guys, guess what? I forgot to mention what specifically this DIY is. It is a DIY chandelier that I saw in a magazine, and I'll post that picture right here in the corner. And I saw that and I said, you know what, I can make that. And over here in this corner, this is what mine's turned out to be. So guys, today I'm going to show you how this one is going to be, because I don't have all the same material that I had for the first one, because at this moment with the current situation with buying anything from food to supplies of any kind, things are short, and so I'm gonna have to improvise what I used for the last video, for the last lamp that I made. And guys, I hope that you like it, so let's get started. All right guys, this is the lamp that I was telling you about, and I did show it to you before. This comes off, the light is on the inside, which the battery needs to be changed. And I told you I was having problems with keeping the gems glued to the inside of the glass. Well, a suggestion that I was given was to try sanding the area that's going to be, that where the glue is going to be applied. Sand the glass in that area, use alcohol to wipe it off, and then stick it on with the glue, the permanent. It's supposed to be permanent hold glue, but we'll see. And you see how it's structured, 2 candle holders on top of each other. The inside of the candle base is painted instead of the outside, so it won't be easy to chip the paint. Even though if I did paint on the outside, I would be using a clear sealer to help protect the acrylic. So, and then I have the clear gems. Some of them have an iridescent film on it, it looks like. And this is the base. And base has glass on the bottom also. Oh, and the felt cushions to protect the bottom of the lamp and the surface. So, and the situation I have as far as the top of the lamp, it is hard to find this at the Dollar Tree. This is where I got this bowl from. This is a bowl from the Dollar Tree. And guys, it can't find them. The shelves are practically empty of a lot of this type of stuff here. Yep, so we're going to improvise this look with what I was able to collect. And even the candle holders. The candle holders are scarce. Alright guys, so at this point what I did was I painted the inside of the bottom of the base with good old spray paint. This way I have a nice even coat. No brush streaks from when I was trying to use the jar acrylic. So in the meantime, what we're going to do, we're going to put these mirrors, we're going to create the base using these 2 styrofoam discs and 2 mirrors. And we're going to also be using the Mosaic glass tile. Okay, now that we have those put together pretty well, we're going to put the mirrors on. Put it on as evenly as possible. I'm going to put the mirror on the other side. This part of the video is pretty self-explanatory as I move forward in putting the Mosaic glass mirror tile around the base of this lamp. This is the base. Right here, guys, I am sanding around the rim of this vase, which is part of the base or the body of my lamp. And this is to ensure that the glue will have a better hold. After I've sanded it down, then I wipe it off with a clean tissue. Then I wipe that area with a alcohol wipe. And then you see me wiping it again to wipe off the residue from the alcohol. Right here, I will be using an epoxy glue to attach the body of my lamp to the base. Alright guys, now that our base has had a chance to cure overnight, we will be attaching the candle holder to the top of our base. Here is where I apply the epoxy glue to the top of my base or the body of my lamp to attach the candle holder. Guys, when you try this project, make sure that you use painter's tape to help hold your pieces in place while they dry. Because in the end, I realized that my candle holder had kind of slid over a little bit, just a smidgen. It wasn't that much noticeable, but it was a done deal. And here is where I gather and cut all the pieces or strands of acrylic gems that I will need. Here's where I attach this glass knob to the top of my lampshade. And actually, guys, this is a dresser drawer knob. And right here, I continue to apply the epoxy to build my lamp structure. While my pieces set and cure overnight, I have prepared things for the next day. This is where I apply glue to as many gems as I can to get started. As you see, I put just a little dot, doesn't take much. And one by one, I just begin to place these gems close together all the way around to the top. And guys, I'd like to take this moment to make my announcement. And my announcement is I will be doing another giveaway, guys. Yes, a few months ago, I did a giveaway once I had achieved 500 subscribers. Well, this time, guys, I am close to and steadily approaching 1,000 subscribers. And I did mention back then that once I achieved 1,000 subscribers, I would be doing another giveaway. So there you go, guys. Stay tuned for the details. So now I'm trying to determine what I want to do with the lampshade, which will go on like this. So I was thinking to put some gems. I was thinking to put some gems all across the top. Right here, guys, I am showing you how I managed to mess up the lid, or what was going to be the lampshade for this lamp. And the glue that I used made the gems look cloudy, and I didn't like that look, so I tried to pluck them off and used a supposedly glue remover, and all that did was make it worse. So yeah, but anyway, guys, I went to my local thrift store, and this piece is $3.99, and this is the print. I thought it was nice. And this is it's a bowl, but turned upside down, it looks like a lampshade, right? I thought so too. And this is the look. I think this is cute. It's so dainty. This is what we have going on. Now this, I will be bonding to the top like that. And guys, I think it looks cute just like that. But we're going to finish it off the way that I said I would, using the acrylic strands and the diamond acrylic gems. Here I'm using the mosaic tile to make a decoration or design on the top of the lampshade. Right here I am stringing thin wire through the acrylic gems, which are already pre-drilled, and these will hang on the end of the acrylic beaded strands. This is a demonstration how I attach the gems to the ends of the acrylic strands. There it is. Right here, guys, I start sanding the inside rim of the lampshade. After that, I wipe it off clean with a dry towel and an alcohol wipe. I already have my strands with glue, a bead of glue on each strand, and I begin to lay them and press them against the glass where I sanded it down. Hopefully this will make for a better hold, guys. After I have them all in place, I use the painter's tape to hold them in place while they dry. Okay guys, so this is how, yeah, I went and changed my clothes. This is not another day, I just changed my clothes. But this right here is what we have going on so far. And this is a couple of hours later after the glue has had a chance to set. So guys, I think one more thing that I want to do, let me take it off and show you real quick. Give you a little close up here. And what I want to do is put some embellishments here to hide the gems. I mean the beginning of the string. So I've decided to put on a row of the Mosaic glass tile all the way around. And this is the final result, guys. What do you think? Oh, I think it turned out so beautiful. This is lovely. It looks very sophisticated, stylish. It gives me that Victorian flair. If you think so, leave a comment below. Yes, guys. And this is what it looks like with the lights on. And I do have a color changing light. This is so beautiful, guys. I just couldn't stop staring at it myself. But anyway, if you guys like the content that I put out in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. And hey, hello to my viewers, my current viewers, my new viewers, my new subscribers, and my current subscribers. Hey guys, I hope that all is well with everyone. And guys, don't forget to listen out for details on my next giveaway for hitting the 1,000 subscriber mark. Yes, guys, I am excited. I will be putting out another video shortly after this, guys, so stay tuned. Hit that notification bell if you haven't, so when I come out with the next video, you will know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.